Hey guys, here's what we're gonna need to make the chocolate banana nut bread. We have 3 ripened bananas, a cup of walnuts, 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cups of vegetable oil, 2 ounces of dark chocolate of 70% cocoa, 3/4 cups of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I've combined here a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 3 large eggs, and 1 cup of chopped walnuts. Now I'm going to take the bittersweet chocolate and also the cocoa powder, placing this in a bowl. I had water boiling on the stove because I need a cup of hot water to mix the two together. And you will see that I will whisk them very well. Once that's combined nicely, I'm going to go ahead and add the sugar, the vanilla extract, and also the vegetable oil. It's time to add the eggs one at a time, mixing very well. I'm going to take the ripened bananas, place them in a bowl, and mash those very well. I kind of like mine a little chunky if possible. Now it's time to combine the chocolate and the bananas. Now it's time to incorporate the dry ingredients, flour, baking soda, and salt, alternating between mixing. Doesn't that look delightful? Now I'm going to add the walnuts. I just have to have a little added texture to my nut bread, hint nut bread. I'm going to go ahead and place the mixture into the loaf pan, and I did use some olive oil cooking spray to coat the pan. I preheated my oven to 350, and I'm going to bake this for an hour to an hour and 15 minutes, depending on if the center gets done, but roughly over an hour. Look how pretty it turned out, you guys, and it smelled even better. I had a little bit of the mixture left over, so I placed it in this other loaf pan. So this is what you're looking at here, guys.
So I did let it cool for about 45 minutes to an hour, and I'm placing it on the tray, and look how moist it looks, you guys. I know it looked like I used a lot of vegetable oil, but it made it so moist and delicious. Stress the importance of letting it cool, because on my previous banana nut bread recipe I didn't, because I was so excited and it took away from the actual product.
Let's taste it. It's not too sweet. The chocolate is so divine. Not too bitter, not too sweet, just right. The nuts add texture to the banana bread. This is magnificent, you guys. I got this recipe from Entertaining with Beth. I noticed that she has some nice recipes that were easy to follow, and I'm glad I followed her recipe. I wish you guys could have a bite. Until later, renovators, I'm just gonna dig in.